In this video, I'll show you how to stream Christmas movies on Sling TV. Step 1 is to log into Sling TV. Launch the Sling TV app or go to www.sling.com. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2, find Christmas movies. Browse the Sling TV library for Christmas movies and specials. You can search directly for Christmas or look for specific titles. Step 3, add the necessary channel pack. Ensure your Sling TV package includes channels that air Christmas movies. You may need to subscribe to Sling Blue or Sling Orange with extra packages. Step 4, enjoy your Christmas movie. Start streaming and enjoy classic Christmas movies on Sling TV. Be sure to have your snacks and drinks ready for a holiday movie marathon. So that's how you watch Christmas movies on Sling TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe and leave a question if you have.